Let me double check. Let me double check. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. That's not the case. That's not the case. You're getting there. You're getting there. You caught me off guard. You caught me off guard. That's up for debate. That's up for debate. It's worth considering. It's worth considering. You read my mind. You read my mind. Let's play it safe. Let's play it safe. I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. I am counting on you. I am counting on you. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Let's not jump to conclusions. Let's not jump to conclusions. That's out of the question. That's out of the question. We're on the same page. We're on the same page. Let's think outside the box. Let's think outside the box. I lost track of time. I lost track of time. Let's wrap it up. Let's wrap it up. You've nailed it. You've nailed it. I am still working on it. I am still working on it. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. I am not convinced. I am not convinced. That's a tough question. That's a tough question. I didn't see that coming. I didn't see that coming. I need more details. I need more details. It's a bit complicated. It's a bit complicated. I didn't mean to insult you. I didn't mean to insult you. Let's get to the point. Let's get to the point. That was unexpected. That was unexpected. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. That's a valid argument. That's a valid argument. Let's move on. Let's move on. I can't make any promises. I can't make any promises. That's easier said than done. That's easier said than done. I need to think it through. I need to think it through.